Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am really excited to start journey with you all. This is my first video in a hackerrank Python series where we will solve a problem every day. If you are a beginner or someone preparing for a coding interviews, this series will help you improve your programming solving skills a lot. We will start from basic problem. Slowly we will move forward to the advanced concepts. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and join me for the more videos like this. Let's get started today's problem. So in this video we are going to learn how to print hello world in a Python. Let's start with a simple line of codes. We use a print function in a Python to display output on the screen. So inside the brackets we have to write hello world inside the double quotes. This is called a string in a Python. When we run this code, the Python will display the text exactly as it is. The output will be hello world, and that's it. This is the first program of the. So thank you for watching. Subscribe me to get more videos like this.